If you're looking for an extraordinary travel experience that blends luxury, culture, and adventure, Viking Ocean Cruises might just be the perfect choice. Known as one of the best in the world for ocean cruises, Viking has redefined what it means to set sail. But what exactly makes Viking so special? Let's dive in. First, it starts with the ships themselves. Viking's ocean fleet is made up of small, elegant ships designed for intimacy and comfort. With a capacity of just 930 guests, every ship feels personal and uncrowded, offering a boutique experience at sea. But Viking is more than just a cruise line, it's a cultural journey. Their itineraries are curated to bring you closer to the heart of each destination. From iconic cities to hidden gems, Viking offers overnight stays and extended time in ports, so you can truly explore. Viking's shore excursions go beyond sightseeing. They're designed to immerse you in the local culture, history, and cuisine. And when you're ready to unwind, Viking offers a sanctuary at sea. From the serene infinity pool to the holistic Nordic spa, every space is designed to help you relax and recharge. Let's not forget the dining. Viking's culinary experiences are a highlight of every voyage. With locally inspired menus, regional wines, and a variety of dining options, you'll savor the flavors of the world as you sail. Viking isn't just a cruise, it's a lifestyle. It's for travelers who value meaningful experiences, impeccable service, and the joy of discovering the world in comfort. Subscribe for more travel inspiration.